I found something. I have to share it with you. It is that good. It is so good. I have used it twice, and the results are fabulous. I was like, I gotta share this with my friends and family. And I am here for the third time trying it. I got to film this for you. It is very, very inexpensive, and you need to try it. This product says healthy ingredients for happy hair. We believe in transparency, and it's a directions. Before shampooing wet scalp and hair, squeeze excess water out. Apply product onto your scalp. Massage in, focusing mainly on the scalp and area around the scalp. Rinse thoroughly and then shampoo. When I tell you this thing works good, it works good. I've been looking for something that will cleanse my scalp because sometimes my scalp is very, very itchy. And I don't put anything on my scalp. I put stuff in my hair, but it transfers down into the scalp. The scalp can be very, very itchy. And you know how disturbing that can be. It is annoying to always be like this in your hair because, it's itchy. That means it's time to cleanse the scalp. Sometimes just our regular shampoo and conditioner don't do the full job. We need to actually detox the scalp. And that is where this product comes in. For the price of, I think it's $13.99, I was surprised it did a better job because years ago I tried an expensive brand and I didn't get much of that result. I was using the serum. I didn't get much of that result. But this product, I was like, I gotta share it with you all because in case you all are looking for something to cleanse the scalp, detox the scalp, purify your scalp, make sure all the dead cells from the follicles are lifted up and your follicles are clean, this product is for you. This is what my scalp looks like. If you look around here, you will see like there is buildup. When I pat my scalp, you can see a little bit of buildup. I haven't shampooed my hair in 2 weeks because I was like, I gotta see if it will last for 2 weeks. And it does. Usually between 2 weeks, I am scratching my scalp for days. But this is my scalp. I don't know if you can see the little buildup in there, but it's starting to get itchy. This is my scalp. Especially around the crown of my head, usually I have more of the buildup. Right here, right here, this is where all my scratching comes from. And then when it gets too much, it's around here, around the edges. So, as the directions say, I'm going to rinse off my hair to take off some of the product that's in the hair and on the scalp to loosen it up, and then I will come back and show you the product and I'll show you how I use it. Because if you are having trouble with your scalp, I've always had trouble with my scalp, you can use that product. I can tell you you'll see results. Now I am back and my hair, I rinse it out. I have not shampooed. I have not done anything except just rinse it out as it says. Follow the instructions because it works. I still have a keratin treatment in my hair, but when I wear it, my natural curls are back. I am going to put that product in my hair, and it is called Sauce. It is called Sauce Beauty Clarifying Scalp Treatment. Sparkling apple cider. Apple cider, apple pectin, and tea tree oil. Free of sulfate, parabens, and silicones. That's the ingredients in there. It is 8 fluid ounces, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, I have used it, and it's up to here. I've used it twice. Today's my third time, but I used it the first time and I saw an improvement in my scalp. So I decided I want to use it the second time because I want to make sure before I tell you about it that it does work. So it's the second time and I see bigger improvement because every time you use it, it cleans the scalp so much better and the follicles of your hair look so nice. So now the third time I'm going to use it now. After I tried it, I loved it so much. I went and I got the thermal protection and the leave-in conditioner. As I use my shampoos and my conditioners, once they're done, I will go to that line because so far I am loving every product from them. The heat source one, when I blow dry my hair and then I get to iron it with this thing, my hair is beautiful. But today the stuff the show is the apple cider. You have to rinse your hair out. Try take out as much water as possible because you don't want it dripping all over because this is watery. Now I do this and I'm just going to put it in the scalp. This is the start of the show. And I massage as I put it in. And I put it in and I massage. I have the towel to catch anything that's coming down. And that's how you do it. It's for the scalp. You want to clean, build up, open up your follicles so your hair can be healthy and your scalp can be healthy. Less itching. I tell you, this thing is a little savior. I have to pick up some more. You can look it up and see who sells it close to you. I got my own at Sally's Beauty. You know, right here by your hair, usually always collect everything. So I massage here. I spend time in those places that I know that are prone to collect, you know, whatever we put in our hair. And I just massage. Now it's all in my hair, so I massage like this. Because right here always collects a lot of gunk and in the crown of my head, so I massage. I do that, and I also have one of these, so I just go like this to move it around. Like I said, it's a liquid, it's very watery. So the less water you leave in your scalp after you rinse your hair out, the better it is so you don't have the water in your hair washing away the apple cider. See, I use up to here now. So I have one more use. So far I'll get 4 uses out of it, which I don't mind. It's inexpensive and it works. Now that I've finished massaging it in my hair, I usually use a plastic hair cover and put it over my head. That's not part of the instructions about the cap. What I do after I finish massage everything in my scalp, I kind of squeeze off the excess water. I put this shower cap over my hair and I let it sit for 5 minutes. It does not say how long you should keep it for, but I keep it for about 5 minutes and then I rinse it off, shampoo, condition, deep treatment, and that's it. This is what I wanted to share with you, this. If you can get your hands on this and you're having trouble with your scalp, try this and see if you get a relief. This have good ingredients in it. And I am telling you, Sauce Beauty Apple Cider Clarifying Scalp Treatment is working for me. I think it will work for you. Try it and let me know when you do try it, if it worked for you. That's the little secret I have going on lately, but now it's not a secret. I just wanted to try it behind the scenes to see if it will before I bring it out to you. I like to do when I find something good, I always want to try it. When I try something and it is good, I always want to bring it to you because I want you to also experience the comfort and joy I'm having. And Sauce Beauty so far, apple cider scalp treatment is working. You can feel it working. Like now you can feel the tea tree, the tingling and everything. That's why I like to cover it and give it time to marinate. After I rinse this out, shampoo and condition my hair, I will come and show you what my scalp looks like. So you will see all the gunk will be lifted up. My follicles will look nice and clean. I'm telling you, this thing is like a little magic potion. See you soon. Now I have shampooed my hair. I have not conditioned or do anything else. I just wanted to come and show you what my scalp looks like. This is my scalp after I have rinsed out the Sauce Beauty apple cider. I rinse the Sauce Beauty out, then shampoo my hair with a Shea Moisture. Before I do anything else, I just wanted to come and show you what my scalp looked like. See? Take a look at the front when I show you earlier on. And then I'm going to show you the crown. This is the crown of my hair. This apple cider clarifying scalp treatment works well. So I'm sharing it with you. If you find this in your beauty store or wherever they sell it, try it if you're having scalp issues and see if that helps you and works for you. But it's working very good for me. So now every 2 weeks, I do this before I shampoo my hair. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate you daily. Remember that you are important to you. And if there's anything that is bothering you or troubling your spirits, reach out and talk to someone else. I will see you all in the next video. Until I see you and you see me, stay drama free. Stay away from the drama. Drama leads to stress. Stress destroys our body. Bye.